একটু ওয়েট করে, হ্যাঁ। আচ্ছা, কিছু করবে না, দেখি যদি করে নিয়ে যাস। এখনো হয়ে আছে কেন দেখ আর হ্যাঁ তুই ডিলিট করে বেরোতে হয়ে গেছে আউট হয়ে গেছে So in a few minutes, we will be starting our live. And as discussed in the last week, we started our UK series. So this is the second one. Um, the students who are interested to know why you should study in UK, I think this is a very important series because it will give you a knowledge about when you choose a country, why do you choose that country? Today only I was talking to one student and I asked him, why do you want to do an MBA? He's a professional, but he could not give me a very focused on answer on this. So this series are basically to I won't say to enlighten you because you are already into knowledge. When you have decided that you are planning to go abroad, you are already a step ahead. Only I can tell you that this series will help you to know where you stand and what all you need to do to go to that country. Okay. So join our sessions regularly. Tell your friends who are interested in UK. Even there are, suppose you feel that a 3 years bachelor's or a 4 year engineering in UK will be very expensive. There are many methods of going there. First of all, you can take a via country like Singapore or Dubai. We are associated almost with all the universities in both these countries where you get a UK degree. And in the last year, if you want to shift, or in the second year, third year, whenever you want to shift, you can shift. Even if you do a higher national diploma in Dubai or a BBA in Dubai or any engineering in Dubai, the last years can be studied in UK. So the budget issue is you can keep it aside. We are there to look into it to fit you in the budget which you can afford. The next is like if you are directly going to UK for a bachelor's or master's, there are lots of scholarships. The scholarships which are given by the university, the scholarships which are given by the government. So you can apply for all of this. We don't hold on to a student's scholarship. Because if I hold on to the scholarship, it is more beneficial for me. We don't hold on to the scholarship. This year, our students have got even as much as scholarships as 10 lakhs or 11 lakhs. Okay. So, how to write a essay for the scholarship, how to approach a scholarship. So, even if you are in your first year and you want to go in your masters, you should contact us because then you are focused and you know where to go. Why I'm starting with all these things? Because each day we see students, they don't understand the basic meaning of going abroad. Maybe we try to make it very easy for you. We try to make you we want to get you in the comfort zone. We don't want to scare you. We means we, yes, Vidya. So sometimes you feel that it's a easy game. Okay, it's not like that. It's very difficult. Like I have students, those who tell me that I want to go to a Russell Group University. So do you know what are the criteria for a Russell Group University? We are associated with all universities. Okay, I'm a British Council certified agent, but do you know what is the criteria which is required from your end? So, if you are building up your CGPA from the first year, it will really help you to get a top university not only in UK, anywhere in the world. You can, Joanna, you can go. Every Friday, we are having a study in Germany series. You can look into the old videos there, and this Friday, you can join the series to know about Germany. Friday, we are having a Germany series in Facebook, so you can go through that. All our number is there. Um, I think Shushmita or Sanchita will be sharing my number, or I can write it down in the comment box. You all can connect with me, and I can tell you about how to about Germany study. Okay, so now let me officially start the live. I'm Ajanta Sinha Roy. I'm the director of Yes Vidya, vidya.com. Yes Vidya is our social media name. So, being the director, yeah, I come directly in contact with the students. Why? Because I love being with the students. My life began as a teacher, then I was a principal. I was coordinator before principal. I was vice principal before principal. So whole life I have been with students. So this is my most precious place for me, being with students. So till date I love to talk to students. And what I saw in the last years, many students or parents, they come to me and they tell me that, ma'am, my son or my daughter is in UK and she has come back, ma'am. We have spent so much of money and look, that's very sad. You all depend on us, you all come to us. And we all know when you are spending so much of money, your main aim is to get a good job, get a good career, have a hike in your salary, have a hike in your quality of life. You want to have a house for yourself, your parents, maybe you want to do something for your siblings. So, after spending so much in bachelor's or master's, if the student has to come back, I think that is the saddest part. So, I don't work in that but pattern. Believe you in me. I don't work in that pattern. All these years, I have always worked with quality work, quality students. It has been a very clean method I have worked. So when I choose a course for you, I see that course is good in which college or which university and which country. Maybe pharmacy is not good in France. Maybe pharmacy is good in Ireland, that I can tell you. I even help you with the links for part-time jobs, for full-time job. I tell you how to go about full-time job, what all you need to do. See, as a British Council certified agent, I follow the code of ethics. I'm very particular about it, and I don't go beyond what I cannot do. Even this year, we have done the most difficult loans. The students many times they cannot go because they cannot give mortgage. They don't have a co-applicant, so they don't get the loan. So believe me again, this year we have given loans up to 60 lakhs non-collateral loan to students. Yeah. Your offer letter is the proof that you will be paying the loan and you are totally responsible for your loan. That's the way we work. So what's the delay? I know one doctor, he is with us for quite some time, and it was very nice that his father came that day and said, he said, "Ma'am, I have a wish to go to UK, and because of the fun thing, I was not able to go. You have opened up a new chapter for us. If I get a loan, my um." this dream will be fulfilled. Yeah, we have options all around the world. I am associated with universities all around the world. That includes UK, Ireland, UK, inside UK, what all are there? Scotland, England, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Then we have Australia, New Zealand. Then we have US, Canada. Then we have whole Asia, that is, we also have Dubai, South Korea, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, we have Mauritius. We also send students to all the European countries: France, Germany, Spain, Italy, Lithuania, Latvia, Poland. So that's why our tagline is, we have two important taglines. Now, this year, I've added one more. Our first tagline is, "You name it and we have it." That means if you have come to a departmental store, no, you have come to a huge supermarket, a mall, which has all the universities, all the countries, all the courses at one place. Whatever budget, whatever academics, whatever backlogs, whatever loan issue, whatever things you are struggling with, come to us. Or you can tell us that we are a place of faith, we are a place of trust, where we give everything to the students. Okay. Next is our next tagline. So the first one was, your success, you name it, we have it. The second is, your success, it's our pride. You succeed, we feel proud about it. And now also in connection with almost all my students who are outside. Okay, so I just visited Australia. So one of my students said, "Ma'am, I'm in New Zealand, why don't you come?" I remember one student, she was a Bengali from Bangladesh, so nobody could do her visa admission, so I had taken up that case. She's now a citizen in Australia. So when I went there, she says, "Ma'am, I want to meet you." So this is the way I have always worked. A very good relation with the students. This was our second tagline: "Your success, our pride," and our third tagline is, "Your dream and our vision will make you a successful individual." So that is the way we work. So now today, since we are talking about UK, let me tell you something about UK, good things about UK, and then we can go ahead. Maybe next time we can talk about the courses in UK, and then next we can start with France or Dubai. We can start a series with that. Okay. So when you go to UK, actually, what the first point is, actually you're saving money. Last time also I told you, because masters is 1 year. So in other places, masters is 2 years. So you are saving on 1 year accommodation and 1 year fees. On top of that, you also have scholarships. Bachelor students also have lot of scholarship. Lot of universities has their institutions where you can study at a very low fees, and then in the final year you can go to the university, or for your masters you can go to the university. If you also want to get a UK degree, you can get it from Singapore or Dubai. There are a lot of options. Many universities have their campuses there. And after that, for your masters or your final year of bachelor's, you can go to UK. Hmm. Okay. So this was it. Ireland, Ireland is known as the mini Silicon Valley of Europe. Also, Ireland is very good for pharmacy, law, and IT. So this way, I can guide you personally which country is good for what. And regarding your fees and all those things about your cars, UK has a cars. You have to get a cars before your visa. We can go in the coming series about your accommodations. Mostly the accommodations, we tell the students that the initial months stay in the hostel. After once you get accustomed with the country, it may be UK, it may be anywhere in the world, then you can shift outside, okay? Because it may help you for your part-time job. It may without tiles, there are many countries, but France, you can go without tiles, and there are also many countries, or there are you can go with the medium of instruction in English. So that's it. Okay. Next is in UK, the accommodations are mostly located near your lecture rooms, near your teaching rooms, near your libraries, near your laboratories. These are the facilities, the university. Can you think the university is so thoughtful that they make your accommodations within the walking distance of your classes? Did you ever try to find out what will have happen about my accommodation? I think this time when I told you, maybe it has, you know, pinged in your mind, or maybe a wave of thought came into you. But accommodation is very important. You must think of the accommodation, because accommodation involves money, accommodation involves comfort zone, accommodation involves how you can commute with your university, accommodation involves how you can do your part-time job. So accommodation is a very, whether you are a person who loves to stay in group, or whether you are a person who loves to stay single, and so our website is www.islam.com. Is www.com. Yes, yes, dot com. So you can register with us for a free counseling session. Okay. Acha. So this was about accommodation. So when you make a choice, because while I told you about accommodation, you never think of it at the end moment is, ma'am, I don't like this, ma'am. I have been given an option so far away from the university, because you did not apply for the accommodation the right time. When we tell you, did you book your accommodation? Did you book it? You feel, oh my God, they must be having some benefit. Why they are forcing us? But accommodation is one of the most important part which in your admission. So you should think about it from next time. So these are very critical decisions when you think of admission, when you think of going to some country, you should think of all these things. Huh? Then one more I can tell you. The cost of living I will discuss later on. Today I will tell you a little about the universities. Now, all of you talk about Russell Group universities. Can you answer in the chat box? Uh, what are Russell Group universities? Why are they called Russell Group universities? Can you tell me? Any one of you, if you can write down, if you want, if you know about it. Hmm? Can you tell me? Hmm. What are Russell Group universities? If you can tell me. Hmm? I did not get any answer. Hmm? So Let me tell you then. I wanted, see, South Korea, without IELTS or not, we are not talking here today about South Korea. Maybe in the upcoming sessions, surely we will talk about South Korea. Or even if tomorrow you want to know, we can have one session on South Korea. Today, let us talk about it. You can share your number with us, so we can tell you now. Now about Russell Group universities. Hmm. Why is it called Russell Group? What is Russell Group? So why is it? It is a Russell Group is an organization of 24 universities, including the original six red and brick universities that have a shared focus on research and a reputation for academic achievement. These are the 24 universities which are more oriented towards research and reputation. So why is it the five topmost are University of Oxford, University of Cambridge, Imperial College London, University College London, and the University of Edinburgh. They are the five first ones, and then the rest names also I will tell you. But why is it called Russell Group? What's the reason there? Who is it? There is no Russell University. So why is it called Russell Group? It was named because the first informal meeting of the group took place at the Russell Hotel in Russell Square, London. That's it. That's why it is called Russell Group. Did you ever did you ever ask? If that's the thing, we go with the hearsays. Oh my God, everybody wants a Russell Group. I want to go to a Russell Group. So, are you a research oriented student, or are you a student for whom a job is most important? Are you a student who can pay a very high fees, or are you a student who can pay a moderate fees? Okay, so those are very important things which you should know, because your friends are saying, because the YouTube blogger is saying, because everybody is saying Russell Group, Russell Group, Russell Group. You want to go to Russell Group? Have you ever given a thought? Why should I go to Russell Group? Am I eligible for UCL? You come and tell me, ma'am, I want Edinburgh or I want Manchester. Have you ever thought? Did you look into your profile? We can give the profile, but your admission will be rejected. So think, what is your aim? You want a good job, a high profile job. You want a salary which is five times more what you can get here. You want to help your family. You want to help your children. You want to do big things for everyone, maybe your country. But if you get stuck with the finance, if you get stuck with the profile, yesterday I was just looking into some program in it's a general entertainment program, a small life. But there, I heard a very important. Whenever you all also should keep your ear and eye open, and whatever knowledge you get, you try to use it in your own life. So it was a very simple knowledge. One was just stuck in buying a sari with a color. Like she wanted a typical peacock blue sari, and the person other side, she's a very young girl, what she said, don't get stuck with the color. Maybe you didn't don't get the color and you lose all the good saris. Hmm. So that's the same thing. Maybe you get stuck with a university in which your profile doesn't match, but you miss the train. You cannot go after that. So whenever you consider You consider your profile, we will look into it. You consider your, if you force me, ma'am, put my application in UCL, we will put it, but it will be rejected. Hmm. So you consider your profile, you consider your budget, you consider what you want to do. Do you want to become a faculty? Do you want to do a PhD? Or do you want to get a good job? So look into that university, look into that course, look into that module, whether it fits you. Then only go for a Russell Group. Even the modern universities, which were, established after 1992, they are also very good. They also recruit for jobs. They are also very professional. So don't get stuck that if you cannot afford a Russell Group university or a university whose fees is very high or a university which may not be according to your profile. But you should not stop your journey for that. Okay. So, like if you talk about the Russell Group universities, there are many universities. University of Birmingham, University of Bristol, University of Cambridge, Cardiff University, Durham University, University of Edinburgh, Exeter. This year, one of our students is going to Exeter, University of Glasgow. Our students are there in Edinburgh. Our students are there in Manchester. University of Glasgow is there. Imperial College London is there. King's College London. University of Leeds. University of Liverpool. London School of Economics. University of Manchester. Newcastle University. University of Nottingham. University of Oxford, all of you know about it, huh? Oxford and Cambridge, everybody knows. Queen Mary University of London, Queen's University, Belfast, University of Sheffield, University of Southampton, University College London, UCL, University of Warwick, and University of York. Okay, these are the Russell Group universities. Now, in Russell Group universities, suppose you want to look into University of Manchester. So in University of Manchester, you have to see whether your programs are there or not, whether your the program which are there, whether they suit your profile or not. Okay, so many things are there. So that's the way things goes. It's not that, oh, I got a Russell Group University and my life is made. No, in Russell Group universities, there are lot of competition. Inside the university, also there is lot of competition. So you have to go into the detail. So if we pick up one university, suppose let me talk about. Suppose you want to, like University of Exeter, they have a very good, MBA, very good MBA. But you have to look into whether you really want that MBA or not. Oh, Exeter is a Russell Group University. Exeter is giving a scholarship, so I should go to Exeter. It's not like that, huh? You have to see whether your course is there or not, whether you are getting an apprenticeship, whether it has an internship. Do you want a research, postgraduate research program? So all these things will help you in choosing the course. Got it? And so any question you have regarding the courses, can you please tell me? Hmm? You have to interact, huh? Hmm. Otherwise, how will I know what you want? Hmm? Now I have picked up one university, okay, Exeter. It has a wide range of courses from business and management, health science, social science, history, biology, biomedical. The universities in UK, each university have I don't know how many, 200, 300, 400 courses. So it's excellent, Both the bachelors have business management, health, social science and history, biological and biomedical sciences, geology and related subjects, geography and geology, environment and climate science. And in the postgraduate, you have, you name it, they have it. And even from your postgraduate program, you can even go for a research based program if you want to do a PhD. Now, if you are a literature person, there is a, UK is the place. The lot of studies in literature, publications. One of our students is this year going for publication. There is comparative literature and culture, there is history, there is criminology, there is data science, there is even drama, music, if you're interested in that, earth sciences, ecology. If you want to go with English, lot of opportunities there. Many students, English honors students, they want to go there. You get an internship in BBC in other places. Then film study is there, you know. If you're interested in geography, nowadays geography is also related with, computers, IT. So even if you have a geography with a science background, you can go for GIS programs. Those are also very good. Then liberal arts is there, maths is there, actuarial and science is there. In see, you get stuck with, I'm not getting MBBS. I know students who are stuck for so many years. Each year they are appearing for NEET because there is no age limit. But don't do it. There is no point. There are so many programs outside India. You can go there, take up a program, and then if you want to appear for your NEET or you want to appear for a UK PLAB, you can do that. Okay. So then, even if you don't get medical, so what? Biomedical is there, medical imaging is there. So many programs. You can study genetics. You can study on organs. You can study on skin. So many things. Non-medical or paramedical courses are there. The neuroscience is there, psychology is there. Psychologists are equal to doctors outside India. They have huge demand for psychology. And many countries they don't allow to do psychology programs, but UK allows you to do psychology program. So you can go for psychology. Suppose you are interested in physics and astronomy, there are so many programs. Suppose you are interested in nursing, there is huge demand for nurses and medical people there. After the pandemic, there's a huge demand. Even if you go for public health, the doctors, there's a huge demand for that. Lawyers, your codes are almost similar. So law has a very good, long back from India, people used to go there to learn that, become a barrister. Now also you can do or you can go for LLM, you can go for an LLB. Even if you go for a LLB in Dubai, from there you can shift for your LLM in UK. Okay, sports and health science, lot of opportunities in UK. So I only spoke of one university with only a few programs. So each university has programs in hundreds. So I only spoke of Exeter today. It's not because I love Exeter. I just thought randomly of picking up some university. Tomorrow you want to know about Oxford, I can tell you about Oxford. But it's better to first understand your own profile. You can give us suggestions. You can give us, you can write to us. My email ID is admin@yesvidya.com. Our website is www.yesvidya.com, where you can register or where you can inquire in our CRM. Our CRM is data protected. We don't keep the data, so it's data protected. So you can give an inquiry and we will answer you. You are absolutely protected data wise. We maintain the UK's code and ethics. We don't We are very, very data secure website. So you connect with us. Anybody wants to enter here and say something in the video, you can say. Anybody wants to join the live, you can join. You can also connect with me personally in a Zoom session. So I spoke about accommodation. I spoke about Russell Group universities. I will also speak about the modern universities, which are very budget friendly universities, and they also look into your job. Hmm. So also I will tell you that we also help you. Not I cannot find a job for you, but I can help you 100% to find a job. I cannot find it, but I can help you to find a job. I can provide you the necessary links. I can provide you the necessary what all documentations are required. And one more thing, I some student asked me, ma'am, after my student visa finishes, mm, I can't find my thing in the skill list. You are not going as a skill laborer. You are an offer holder. You are going to UK as an offer holder. So you are, after your studies, your visa will change into a job search visa. You will get a stay back for a job search. You don't need to change your visa to a skilled labor visa. So I will talk to you in detail about the visa. Lot of confusions. And when a student register with us, we first discuss the finance. We ask the student whether he or she requires the loan. We ask the student what is his profile, what is his budget. Then, when we start with your UK, I take a total orientation on the finance, on the bank account, where you should keep the money, how you should keep the money, how you should make a budget, everything. That is the way I work, that is the way our consultancy works. That's why we believe, I told you, in quality and not quantity. So we dedicate lot of time for each student. Huh? And I personally, whether I'm in India or whether I'm outside India, I personally sit with the student. Even I have students not only from West Bengal, I have students pan India, and I sit with students from outside India also when they are doing their visa, because each document I look into it, even online. So our visas are never rejected. Hmm. So I think that was good enough. I saw that many of you are interested in South Korea and other countries. Let me see very soon if maybe this week only, tomorrow will be possible. Uh, Maybe Thursday. mm, I can tell you about one more country. Okay, but first let me see what is your response. To connect with us, that's very important. It takes a lot of time from my end to come on live because I have so many other commitments. So when I come on live, I want all of you to be with the live. Tell your friends about this live, and let's meet again next week, this time 3 o'clock, and with lot of response from your end. So anything anyone want to ask me, you can write in the chat box to you or in the comment box. Anything you I got a few questions about South Korea, and there are a lot of options other than Germany. Without IS, I already told you. South Korea, I told you. Uh, so, hmm. So I think that will be enough for today. And the live will be there in the in YouTube and other places. So if you want to know, so UK, if you want a good scholarship, if you want a budgeted university, so don't be delayed because already September intake is over. Now for the spring intake, that is January to March, the earlier you come, it becomes easier to apply for the government scholarships. Yeah, okay. The university scholarships are there. There are some early bird discounts also. So don't delay. Okay, okay. Thank you so much and for being in the live. And please tell about Vidya.com. Yes, Vidya, your one-stop solution for all the countries, all the courses, for your dream and our vision to make you a successful person in the world. Thank you. Thank you so much. So I will be leaving the live and we'll wait for your response. And we really want to know that are these lives being helpful to us? So that's very important for us because I need a lot of, I have to cut times from other meetings and all and be with you all. Hmm. So that's it. Thank you so much.